Welcome to this time once again for another Learn Arabic with Q. Okay, he's done. So, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson, we're going to talk about possessions. You know, we humans like to mark our territory. It's mine. How do we say that in Arabic? Now, it's very simple. All you add is one letter to a noun, and it becomes yours. How easy is that? That letter we're going to add to any noun is the ye, ya, the ya letter, which is the sound of E. Let's see how it's done. So, remember we said هذا بيت Okay? What if it was my house? My house. All I have to say is بيتي. هذا بيتي. So you can see here we added, so this turns into بيت yeah. Now here the t is no longer going to come in the boat shape because it's not the ending form anymore. The ending letter is the ye. So this is bait, and here we add the ye. Beiti, my house. Beiti, my house. You're going to notice as you learn Arabic that it's all about adding letters to the noun. So you can always recognize the root of the word. For example, here, the root are these three letters, bait. And this is an addition. It's a ye, that's for marking possession. My house, beiti. And we took هذا. Let's take a new word over here while we're at it. هذا, something everybody loves. طعام, which is food. هذا طعام. It's a ط. Remember the ayn. This is the a. طعام. And we end with a mi. Okay? هذا طعام. It's a a. طعام. If you can't say the a, you're going to end up saying هذا طعام. But it's a ط a. طعام. هذا طعام. Now, if this is my food, I will say هذا طعامي. This is my food. هذا طعامي. And I don't like to share food sometimes. هذا طعامي. So, طعامي, how do you write طعامي? ط. Same, write the same word. ط. Now here the me is no longer the ending form. It's a me that comes like this, and it's connected to a yeah. هذا طعامي. هذا طعامي. Now, let's take another word. هذه, something feminine. هذه سيارة. Remember what سيارة is? It's a car. سيا, two dots over here for the ye. سيارة. And we have the circular te at the end. Now, when I add a ye to this, it becomes هذه Say it. سيارتي. هذه سيارتي. Now suddenly this te that we weren't pronouncing, it was just an سيارة. Now it comes to life because you can't ignore it anymore. هذه سيارتي, because a ye came after it. Let's write that down. So this becomes سيارة. Now it's a T, the normal T form, and a ye. هذه سيارتي. This is my car. Now we have هذه دراجة, bicycle. هذه دراجة. And here's that dog, heads T. دراجة. Okay? This is called in Arabic, this form is called ta مربوطة, which means it's a connected t. Ta مربوطة. But just, for practical reasons for you, since you're an English speaker, we're going to call it the dog face. Okay. هذه دراجة. Oh, we forgot the dot over here. If you don't put the dot, it's going to be read like this. دراحة. Big difference. So this is دراجة. The dot is under. دراجة. Now that becomes, when it's mine, I will say هذه دراجتي. دراجتي. دراجة. Now again, same thing's gonna happen. This ta al-marbuta is gonna turn into a regular form, middle form, daraja, and it has to because now it's in between two letters. It's not an ending form anymore. And we have the ya at the end. Okay, let's read that together. هذا بيت. هذا بيت. هذا بيتي. هذا بيتي. هذا طعام. هذا طعام. هذا طعامي. هذا طعامي. هذه سيارة. هذه سيارة. هذه سيارتي. هذه سيارتي. هذه دراجة. هذه دراجة. هذه دراجتي. هذه دراجتي. Okay? So, I hope you had a very useful lesson. This lesson now is yours. And now we come to an end of another Learn Arabic with Q. Well, that brings us to the end of the lesson, and I'll see you in the next one. Subscribe to the channel so you can get all the latest lessons that are coming out. Take care and have a beautiful, productive Arabic day.